Hello everyone. Today, we will be discussing the importance of cursive writing and how to learn it step by step. Cursive writing is a beautiful form of writing that involves the use of alternating capital and lowercase letters to create a flowing and decorative look. It is often used in calligraphy and literature, but it can also be practical for writing names and other short phrases. To learn cursive writing, start by selecting a good cursive script font, such as Rothon or Rockwell. This will ensure that you have the correct spacing and letter forms needed for cursive writing. It is important to start with basic letters and movements, such as the E and A in the word apple, to build a strong foundation. Next, focus on the rhythm and flow of cursive writing. This can be achieved by practicing writing words and phrases at a comfortable speed, while paying attention to the timing and movement of your hands. Try to mimic the sound of the letters as you write, and visualize the flow of the letters as they come together. Once you feel comfortable with the basics, start adding in more complex words and phrases. Remember to keep your speed and rhythm consistent, and to allow for enough space between letters as you move along the page. Finally, practice makes perfect. The more you practice, the easier it will become to write cursive. You can start by writing short notes or messages, then gradually move on to more complex tasks such as name writing or even formal letters. In conclusion, learning cursive writing is a gradual process that requires patience and practice. By following these step-by-step instructions and focusing on the basics, you can develop a strong foundation in cursive writing and enjoy the aesthetic beauty of this elegant form of communication.